Roasting chickens or other types of meat in a rotisserie is a great way to create theater and attract attention. However, there's quite some cleaning to be done after a day of operation. Looking for perfectly roasted products without the hassle of cleaning afterwards? Benefit from our TDR Auto Clean Rotisserie. Thanks to its open cavity, the TDR Auto Clean roasts your products to perfection. The unique door design keeps water inside during cleaning. No door seals means lower maintenance costs, since periodic replacement is not needed. With a TDR Auto Clean, manual cleaning is a thing of the past. Simply add the rotisserie cleaner, select the cleaning program, and off you go. Fri-Jado Rotisserie Cleaner is safe to use for any operator. The TDR Auto Clean provides clear cost savings. 1 hour of manual cleaning labor is saved daily. Water consumption is only 25 liters per cleaning cycle, thanks to the Smart Water Recirculation System. Not only the interior, but even the accessories, such as multi-purpose baskets, will be cleaned. The TDR Auto Clean boosts your sales. Without the need for manual cleaning, staff can spend more time on serving customers. Cleaning can be done overnight. The next morning, the TDR Auto Clean will be spotless and ready for a new day of roasting theater. Fri-Jado TDR Auto Clean is the right choice for perfectly roasted products from a spotless rotisserie.